We've been closely following the rise of COVID-19 across the Wabash Valley. Recent spikes have brought many communities to an alarming problem.
Many area hospitals are now saying they're booked solid, meaning people with or without COVID-19 could be looking at a long trip to get care they need. News 10 Bureau Chief Gary Bryan has more on how one hospital is dealing with the spike.
Positive COVID-19 cases continue to rise in Crawford County. That has staff here at Crawford Memorial Hospital struggling to keep up. COVID-19 cases have been spiking in just the last few weeks in Crawford County. On average, 20% of new cases are being hospitalized. That has meant Crawford Memorial Hospital has become full.
So what goes through my head is, how can I minimize the damage coming forth? When do we need to close our doors? What resources do we have? I need to ask around to see if we have enough remdesivir.
Lynn Auk is a hospitalist nurse practitioner. It's her job to handle the patient load at Crawford Memorial Hospital. Lately, that hasn't been an easy task.
We are calling up to 15 to 20 area hospitals, getting the situation on what beds do you have available, what are the wait lists.
Earlier this week, 18 patients were admitted to critical care. Half of those admissions were COVID-19 patients. As beds fill up, Auk looks to other hospitals for open beds.
You're also trying to stabilize the patient that is not moving in the right direction and reassuring family and the patient, and you're calling places that are already stretched.
Recently, Auk called hospitals as far away as St. Louis and Indianapolis to find a bed for a non-COVID-19 patient. All of those hospitals were full.
Went down to the ER and talked to the ER doctor and asked if he had any other options, because that's how desperate I was at 11 o'clock at night.
But the problem isn't just at Crawford Memorial Hospital.
One of the hospitals I contacted actually said, wow, things must be really bad. We are getting calls from Tennessee and Missouri.
Auk says it's more important than ever to get vaccinated. She also says it's important to get your information from trusted sources.
Reaching out to those credible resources in your community, your healthcare provider, your health department. And if there are questions or fears, we are all happy to answer those honestly.
To get registered for the vaccine, head over to our website at WTHI-TV.com and click on this story. In Crawford County, Gary Bryan, News 10.